Uh, Hi everyone. So yesterday I was scrolling through my social media, and one post that come into my feed, and it actually impacted throughout my throughout me. So I am telling you about that post. So there was a old man who was living in the town. He has one son, and his son was very lazy and very careless. So one day he decided to teach him a lesson. So he called his son, and the son came, and the father asked him, there is one watch he that kept inside the cupboard, so get it that watch. So the son went to the room, and he just grabbed that watch, and he came to the room. So father told him, can you please go to the can you please go to the market and ask what is the price of this watch. So the son went to the market, and he was asking everybody what is the price of this watch. So he saw a man who was standing at the shop. So he asked the question, what is the price of this watch? So he said 500 rupees. Okay, there was one shopkeeper who was standing nearby. So he asked the same question, like, what is the price of this watch? So he said 1000 rupees. There is one more lady who was standing just nearby at their shop. So he asked the same question. The lady told 1500. The watch was the same, but everybody has a different opinion. Like, for somebody it has 500, for somebody it has 1000, and for some it's 1500. So he went to the house, and he told whatever the situation happened in the market. He told the same about the father. The father laughed, and he said, let's keep it back in the wardrobe, and come tomorrow. So the son came tomorrow, and father told him to let's grab the watch again. So the son came back with this watch, and the father told, now again go to the market with the same watch. Now ask what is the price of the money. Sorry, what is the price of the money? What is the price of the what is the price of the time that is inside the watch? It might sound to bit awkward, like, what is the time, what is the price of the time, like. So the son confused, like, what my father wants actually. So then he went back to the market. He asked the same question to different people, and some of them laughed, and some just like, get out from here. Some told them to get out from here, and he got very sad. Then he went to one old shop. There was a old man who was repairing his old watches. Then who was repairing his yeah then who was repairing his old watches, and the same question he asked to that old man. the old man uh, the old man heard, and he looked at him, like, why he is asking that. But he got the assignment, he got what he wanted. Sorry. So now, like, then he told the son, there is no price of the time. You can't uh, you can't get a time via its price. Time is priceless. So that time has two things. One, time has good thing and bad thing. The bad thing is it will pass away. The second is, uh, it it is in your hand, like how you wanna spend it. So the son thinks, yeah, actually this is what, like, I was doing all the time. I was just scrolling through social media, and I was just wasting my time, and time is very priceless for us as well. So he changed himself. He went back to the home, and he told his father that, yeah, I was the wrong, and now he changed his life and everything. So the thing that I shared this story, because we all have time, right? It's in our hand how we want to spend it. Some of them, like, we just go to our home or PG or flat, we just scroll throughout the social media, we don't do anything. So it's very important how you want to consume it, how you want your life to after 5 years, after 10 years. So be careful, time is priceless. So yeah, thank you for watching this. Bye.